Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is an SS Tribute. Great car, guys. It's a recent frame-off restoration. The car's finished in Matador red. It's got the red vinyl interior. It's got a healthy big block 454 with a 4-speed manual transmission. Killer car. Car's good, solid, straight body out of Kentucky. Really just a good car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. It's nice and tight. It's a 12-bolt rear end with a rear sway bar. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. You can see it sits real good. It's got 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, brand new rubber. Pretty car. Trim's nice on the car. New front bumper. Fit and finish is really nice. Car's only got like 67,000 original miles on it. Vinyl tops in great shape. '68's, of course, got those very unique tail lights. Kind of refer to them as eyebrows. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. All brand new rubber, new wheels. Took some really nice pictures of the car underneath. Front disc brakes. Sorry, that sun's kind of messing us up here. I'm on a funky angle, guys. Good focus in here. There we go. Try that again. There we go. Again, it's a cammed up 454 motor in it. It's got a Holley dual feed, air gap, aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the big 4-core aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's a 4-speed manual trans. So if you're looking for something to bang the gears in, it shifts out nice and tight. Clutch is good. It's a nice car. Got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. They got the chrome pulleys on it. So it's detailed up underneath the hood, really nice. Can nitpick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. New mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers. I like the red on red. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. Bucket seats, sport steering wheel. Got the factory dash, 6760, what is it, 8 on the odometer there. It's got an aftermarket custom Audiosounds AM/FM radio. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt, not a big gear. It's just a stock gear, something you get on the expressway and cruise. It's got the rear sway bar, so the car, you know, it drives out nice and tight. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. I think I forgot to show you the headliner. When I get to this side, I'll kind of get out of rhythm here, but I'll show it to you. New fuel tank. You can see they replaced the carpet, new sill plates. Seats are nice. I think I forgot to show you the headliner. Seats are all refoamed and padded. Dash is nice. Gauges look good. It's got the Hurst shifter. Nice little cam to it, so it's got a nice little lobe. Great looking car, man. That's the kind of car that's kept us here for 41 years, guys. I'll tell you that right now. Great car. I know the parking brake works. Fuel gauge up there, you can see it working. There's got a good sound to it. I know the blower motor works. Radio works. Again, the parking brake works. See the doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.